world was wrapped in a soft, white blanket. Marglo looked out her window and saw the snowflakes dancing in the air. Everything was still and quiet. She put on her thick, woolly coat and her bright yellow boots. "I'm going for a walk," she whispered to the quiet house. Outside, Marglo spotted a secret. A tiny, narrow path wound its way through the deep snow, leading straight into the big, white forest. Crunch, crunch, crunch! Marglo loved the sound her boots made. It was the only sound in the whole wide world. The forest felt like a giant, icy palace. The trees were heavy with snow, and the air smelled like pine needles and cold magic. Suddenly, she saw something moving behind a frosted bush. She held her breath and stood as still as a statue. It was a family of deer. A mother deer was gently nibbling on a patch of green moss hidden under the snow. Behind the mother, a tiny fawn with white spots stayed close. They were eating so quietly, enjoying their peaceful winter snack. Marglo waved a tiny, silent goodbye. She turned back towards home as the sky began to turn a soft, rosy pink. Back in her warm house, Marglo felt a glow in her heart. She was grateful for the snowy path and the quiet magic of the winter woods.